right, boys and girls, on to health now. Last week we started our new unit on health behaviors. We talked about how personal health habits affect ourselves and others. We talked about things like brushing our teeth and how that affects our classmates if we don't do that. We talked about wearing the right kind of clothes depending on the weather and making sure our clothes are clean and don't have germs all over them. We talked about covering our nose and our mouth whenever we cough and sneeze, or making sure we have our face coverings on if maybe we've got a little cold or something. So this week we're going to move on to our next healthy behavior, and that is personal fitness. But before we get started, I want to ask you a question. How are you guys feeling? I mean, are you feeling like this guy? Are you feeling a little weak? Ooh. Or are you feeling a little tired and sleepy? Or maybe you're sad. Maybe you're having a hard time with your classes, or maybe you're just feeling all alone. Well, what about how would you like to feel? Would you like to feel happy and strong and healthy and full of energy and ready to be with your family and friends and do active things? These things that we're talking about are, and what we're going to go into next is about ways that you can improve your personal fitness. Some of the things that we're going to be learning about is, what does personal fitness actually mean? And why is it so important? And then we're also going to talk about some very specific ways that you can improve your personal fitness. So first, I said we're going to talk about personal fitness. What does that mean? Personal fitness is an ongoing choice that you make that's going to change or affect your mental or physical health in a good or a bad way. Ongoing choices affect mental or physical health and affect it in a good or bad way. Personal fitness is not about just today. It's about being on a personal fitness roadmap of possibilities. You are going to face all kinds of choices that are going to affect your personal fitness. They're going to affect you mentally. They're going to affect you physically. They're going to affect you good, and they're going to affect you bad. An example would be stress. When you're stressed out, or you like this bull and you're charging and you're mad and your face is all angry, or maybe you're like the picture down here where we've got someone crying. You know, sometimes when people get really stressed out, they just cry and they don't ever stop. But that's not okay. But maybe you're stressed and you just need to sit down and have a good cry, and then you're done and you're relieved of that stress. You've made a good choice to kind of get it taken care of, right? Or maybe you choose to meditate, do some yoga, read a book, go somewhere with someone, a place that is calming. See, that's a personal fitness choice. You're going to choose how to handle stress, because guess what? You're going to have stress, boys and girls. Okay, so other possibilities on your personal fitness roadmap. You're going to have to make choices about your eating, guys. You're going to have to make choices about what kind of exercise, or are you going to get exercise? You're going to have to make choices about what you do with your free play time. Are you choosing to sit on your computer the whole time? Or are you making choices to go outside and play with your friends, or go on a walk with your family? Guys, your personal fitness roadmap is full of possibilities, and you're going to have to make some very serious choices. And some not so serious. Yep, right. Okay. So the time and energy that you put into your personal fitness is going to be stored up so that when you need it, to make you strong or to help you do whatever you want to or whatever you need to do that day, you're going to have it. It's kind of like when we put money in the bank, guys. When you do your chores around your house and you get an allowance and you put that money in your bank along with your Christmas money and, your birthday money. Well, that money is being stored up. So when you want it, you want to buy that new bike or you need it for some new clothes or a new pair of shoes or a new car or a new house, you're going to have it. Now we're going to take a look at a video on having an active and healthy lifestyle. I want you to pay close attention to some of the benefits to living an active and healthy lifestyle. And then I also want you to pay attention to some of the very specific ways that you can live an active and healthy lifestyle. Pay attention.
Faster! I'm exhausted. I can't feel my legs anymore.
Keep it up, Sufa. Let's cross the finishing line together.
Why don't you look drained at all? And you seem to enjoy running so much.
It's actually fun to do physical activities together, and it's good for our health, too. The World Health Organization recommended that children and youth aged 5 to 17 should accumulate at least 60 minutes of moderate to vigorous physical activity, such as brisk walk, ball games, or walking up and down the stairs every day. Slightly increased breathing and heart rates, along with mild sweating, indicate your physical activity has reached the desired intensity, and you will be able to stay healthy. It's not difficult at all to reach a cumulative 60 minutes of physical activity. Make good use of the time before and after school. You can walk briskly to school and back home under safe conditions. You can take part in different physical activities and loosen up a bit during recess and lunch break. Help out with chores when you get home. Sweeping and mopping the floor are also good physical activities for us. Cycling with your family or taking a walk with them. As a result, you will have reached the 60-minute mark.
It sounds simple. What physical activities do you like?
Besides brisk walk and playing in the park, I also play sports, such as swimming, rope skipping, and badminton. There are many kinds of physical activities. You can easily find one that best suits you.
What are the benefits of doing regular physical activities?
There are many benefits. Look at me. I don't get out of breath easily. That's because sufficient physical activities help boost your cardiorespiratory endurance as well as strengthen muscles. It even lowers the risk of cardiovascular disease. Physical activities also keep your muscles and bones healthy, speed up metabolism, and reduce the building up of fat. That's not all. Doing exercise can help relieve anxiety and depression. It even has a positive impact on studying.
No wonder you are so optimistic. You also get good grades, and you are friends with everyone.
Fine. Stop singing praises to me. But a healthy lifestyle truly helps us stay healthy physically and mentally.
All it takes is a little time every day, and I can have all these benefits. I should start engaging in different types of physical activities daily.
Join us today in developing an active and healthy lifestyle.
All right, so you're going to pause right now and do a short activity, and then you'll come right back. Okay.
I'm exhausted.
Let me try this again. There we go. All right. So now that you know a little more about personal fitness and what it means, tomorrow in class we're going to be working in small groups. So come prepared to work with your buddies and make sure that everybody is doing their part. And we're going to have a great time working in groups to take personal fitness and look a little closer at it, and we're going to analyze it, and we're going to create a chart. So I will see you tomorrow. Thank you, guys.